After watching this episode, trust me, you'll never boil your Kamande again. Kamande are also known as lentils in English, and with me today, we're going to be preparing a one-pot rice and lentils dish, and with me here I have my ingredients. So from this corner, I have my rice. I also have my ginger and garlic paste. I made this in a previous episode, you can check that out. I have my coriander leaves, lots and lots of them. I have my onions, and for this particular dish, I like going in with lots of onions. I have my capsicum, one tomato. I have a chicken cube, but you can also use the beef cube. I have some cooking oil, some tomato paste, and I also have my lentils. So these lentils, as you can hear, they are very dry, and I'm going to show you how to go about them. You can also add some mint leaves for this particular recipe, and it's going to turn out great. Without further ado, let's get started. I love this particular dish because it's a one pot. That means unaweka tu kila kitu ndani and it will be ready within no time. So as you can hear, my Kamande are very dry. These are raw lentils, and as I mentioned, we are not going to be pre-boiling them. You need some warm to hot water. Then I'm going to add my water. So it should be between warm and hot, thereabout. And then I'm going to let this sit here for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'll see you then. In the meantime, I'll be prepping my vegetables. So about 25 minutes later, you see this is what we have, and you can also notice that they have doubled in size. So this is just perfect. I'm going to strain off this water, then run it through some cold water once so that I can rinse it. Then we can get to the other side and we get started. So once my pan is nice, hot and dry, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once this is also hot, I'll go in with my onions. So I'm going to saute this till they start turning translucent. Then I'll go in with my next ingredient. So once this is how I like it, I'll go in with my garlic and ginger paste. And we made this in a previous episode. You can check that out. It's just as simple as that. So I'll add in a generous amount. So that cooks pretty fast because they are very minute. Then at this point, I'll go in with my tomatoes as well as my coriander stems, and you can already smell the garlic and ginger in the air. Then I'm going to cover this for about a minute so that my tomatoes can soften. Now that I'm happy with this, at this point I'll go in with my tomato paste, and I've mixed it with some water just to loosen it up. Then I'll add in some hot water so that I can loosen up my tomato paste. Then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about a minute so that the tomato paste can be well cooked. So after about a minute, I'm back to add in my last batch of ingredients. So I'll start with my lentils. Then to this other side, I'll add in my washed rice, and always remember to wash your rice so that iwe poa na itokee moja moja. Then to this other side, I'll add in my capsicum. Then remember we had our seasoning cube. This is where it goes in. And finally, I'll go in with my salt. Then I'm going to mix this till everything is well combined and well distributed. And as I promised, this is such an easy recipe. And we are halfway done, just like that. That's simple. So at this point, I'll go in with my water. I used this one, so I'm going to add 2 of these. Hot or cold water just works as good as the other. So I like going in with 1 cup first, then I mix everything. Then I'll go in with the second cup. So once I'm certain that everything is well mixed together, I'm just going to cover this and give it about 12 to 15 minutes and our rice will be ready. So I'll see once the rice is ready. So I'm back to check on my rice, and how to check on it. Ukidunga hapa katikati, you shouldn't see any water, and as you can see, mine is completely dry. So I'm going to switch this off, and you can already tell that this is going to slap. Then I'll go in with my coriander leaves. I'm going to sprinkle them, and if at all you have the mint leaves, you also add them at this point. Just like that. Then I'm going to cover this and give it about 5 minutes as we prepare the other side, and I'll see you for serving and tasting. So finally, my dish is ready. Mautan. Wow. I also love this recipe because it's a 1 pot, as I earlier mentioned, and also Kamande hazijavunjika. As you can see, they are whole. Hazijabondeka. This is bomb. Wow. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.